Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to give you some tips and tricks for beginner for Black Desert Online, okay? This is a beautiful game to be honest, but it's notoriously overwhelming. As you can see, my screen right now is completely filled with, junk and different alerts and things like that. And it's actually very annoying this game sometimes, okay? So the UI is very cluttered, so I'm going to show you how you can clean a little bit, okay? So guys, the first tip that I want to give you is of course to clean up the the UI actually, okay? So, your screen is going to be flooded with system notification, the chat, everything. So it's very distracting and it doesn't read very well. So what are you going to do? You're just going to come to your settings by pressing escape. I'm going to go to settings again. You're going to click on settings. And now it's going to focus on basically general settings. And I want you to focus on the alert system. Okay? So here's what I want you to do, guys. And this might look like very extreme, but I want you to turn off every single general notification box. Let's do this together. Okay, so you can see turning down everything pretty much. And you're gonna see how much better this looks. Alrighty. So look, it actually looks much more manageable in here. It's gonna look like clean and a little bit more cinematic, and that's good. Now guys, the second tip that I want to give you is do not ignore the obvious one, the Magnus questline, okay? You have to complete it because that's gonna unlock two of the two overpowered quality of life features in the game, which is the universal fast travel via the worlds and the major ability to access the storage of any major city from any location. Okay? This is gonna save you hundreds of hours of running around, okay? So just complete this. It's called Avis one, the Magnus. Okay? Now guys, the third tip that I want to give you is that life skills are now family-wide. So if you're reading like the old guys, just ignore them because they're wrong. Pearl Avis recently updated the game so that the life skill experience is going to be shared across your entire family, okay, your entire account basically. So you no longer have to like dedicate, one specific character to fishing and another to cooking. You can actually have the life skill level in both of them, okay? Now, the last tip that I want to give you is do not compare yourself to veterans because this game is a marathon, is an MMO. Okay, so you're gonna be players, running around with glowing sovereign weapons and tier 10 flying horses. But they have been playing for like 8 years, guys, which is the time this game has been out. Okay? So just focus on your daily incremental goals and, if you see a player that maybe is, level like 50 or 60 and is attacking you, do not worry because he's gonna lose karma because you're a beginner and he's not. So you cannot freely attack him. So he's gonna lose karma because of that, okay? So do not even pay attention to that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.